Looking for a home or an investment in one of Europe's most desirable coastal regions? Hello, I'm Lisa from Mapro Knight Frank. Join me as we explore this elegant sea view villa in the heart of the Vale Formoso hills, which is just 10 minutes from the renowned Quinta, Lago and Vale Lobo resorts. Step into the light-filled entrance hall where space and flow unfold naturally. The living area is crafted for relaxed elegance, with floor-to-ceiling windows framing sweeping views of the Atlantic. Designed with indoor-outdoor living in mind, the kitchen opens directly to the south-facing terraces, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the Algarve sun. Upstairs you'll find beautifully appointed bedroom suites, each with its own balcony and sea views, ideal for a peaceful retreat. The gardens are mature and private, with plenty of shaded areas and an inviting swimming pool. One of my favourite touches is this beautiful avocado tree. Why not bring a little local produce to your home table? Whether you're looking for your next investment home or a lifestyle that embraces sunshine, space and sea views, this villa really does offer it all. I'm Lisa from Mapro Knight Frank, and I'd love to show you around this property in person. So please look up reference 4104 on our website and book your visit today. Thank you for watching.